Whoosh! That's the sound of money flying out of your pockets faster than a New York minute. But what if I told you there's a way to flip the script? Yeah, you heard it right. It's about upgrading your money blueprint, folks. Picture this. You're stuck in a scarcity mindset, always worrying about the next payday. It's as suffocating as rush hour on the subway, ain't it? But imagine shifting gears to an abundance mindset. It's like cruising down the open highway, top down, wind in your hair. How do you make the switch? Start by changing how you talk about money. Stop saying, I can't afford it. Start asking, how can I afford it? Next, surround yourself with people who've got the abundance mindset. Their outlook will rub off on you like an infectious Broadway tune you can't stop humming. Finally, invest in yourself. Education, skills, experiences, these are the real treasures, my friend. So, are you ready to upgrade your money blueprint? Remember, from scarcity to abundance, it's all in the mindset. Now, go get 'em, Tiger.